Hello friends, this year World Autism Awareness Day falls on Saturday the 2nd of April 2022. It's a day to celebrate the resilience of those affected by this disorder. Autism or ASD, that is Autism Spectrum Disorder, is a developmental disorder that impairs the ability to communicate and interact. Everyone should be educated about autism and encouraged to be accepting of it. So I have used the color blue in honor of this day, as it's a part of Light It Up Blue campaign for autism awareness and acceptance. And for the first design, I'm using the blue polish on this stamping plate, and I place the design on my nails as shown. You can easily remove off the excess polish by using a piece of sellotape and pressing it down on the skin and pulling it off, and finally finish off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat. I used this blue pattern on my thumb and my little finger, and I finished it off with a layer of glossy top coat. And for my pointer, middle and ring finger, I have used a white polish and I applied a layer of glitter top coat on it. And then I took the stamping plate having a heart, and for the middle finger I used the blue polish and I took the heart shape on the stamping head and I placed it on my nail. Then I bordered this heart using a pink polish, and I used this pink heart on top of the blue heart to give it a pink border. Finally, I finished off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat. For my ring finger, I used this multicolored heart design. For this, I used the same process to pick up the heart outline in the color of blue, and I gave it a layer of glossy top coat. And then using colors of different shades, I made some tiny polka dots inside the heart. Here I have used yellow, green, blue, and I also used some red and orange color, and I filled up the inside of the heart with all these colors. When the design became a little bit dry, I stamped it on my nails as shown. And finally, I finished off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat, and this easy heart design is also done. On my pointer finger, I used the same process, but instead of a dot, I made a heart having multicolored stripes. You can use any colors, and I used the same colors which I had used on the polka dot heart, that is yellow, green, blue, red and orange. And again, when the design got a little bit dry, I stamped this design on my nail. And finally, I finished off the design by applying a layer of glossy top coat as before. And this very easy heart nail art design is also done. I have used the stamping plates over here, but you can recreate the heart design easily using freehand if you are good at it. I hope you like this very easy autism awareness nail art design, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.